right back to you, Professor Cool. Appreciate the holler. You're sounding good around the Smoky Hills. Hello, Mr. Professor Cool, 357 Tennessee.
255-300, Atlanta, Georgia's waving.
Yeah, Roger, right on it. Got all kind of rough and tough. Lots of big hammers in there right about now. Doing damage to my radio receiver. Y'all quit being so mean. 357 with the weekend wave.
How about that 357? I said, how about that 357 over there? What's going on, 357? Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
I think that was my friend Fat Man waddling on through while they're all laying it down in the world of sound. Hey, Fat Man 357 waving and hanging around.
You're doing it for the babies. Try now while you're walking on water around Coney Island. And
Working this ground plane on the top side of the garden. New Jersey, Hollywood, 135, getting on down.
damn, Fat Man, all time. Hey, Fat Man.
Hey, Trinitron 9, save a piece of that cornbread for me. Hey, Trinitron 9, 357 says, save a piece of that cornbread for me. Look out for that Fat Man. He wants the whole thing. 357 Tennessee.
Man, here in Tennessee sounded real good. 255 in the Shelby State. If you got a copy, 672 6-pack, trying to get it back.
Breeze around your household as you did. You still watching my radio. Like the city conditions just got real well. AT wanted you to know I got you. Mr. Chicken Man. Bye, 21. Hey, 21, no name in Tennessee, say bye.
Is that Dirty Diaper 21 out there? I hear someone talking to 21. What's going on? 2-1. Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
Just back up.
Hey, Hollywood, I can pull you out of there down here in Tennessee. Hollywood, New Jersey, 672 6-pack, trying to get it back.
How about that 6-pack? How about that 6-pack? Is that right over there? Is that right? This stainless steel whip is doing the job, talking? Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
Hey, Trinitron 9, he said 10 Roger right on too. Hey, Trinitron 9, he said 10 Roger right on too while you're still laying it down with that cornbread in your hand. 357 hanging around.
Right back, 21, I'm gonna get out of here for 357, put it on top, beat me upside my head. 21, I'm gonna get out of here for 357, beat me upside my head, make me regret what I did. Hey, 21, man with no name in Tennessee, I'm out of the way now, I'm gone.
Hello?
All right, Trinitron 9, I'm taking a few minute pause for the cause, keep them stirred up. Hey, Trinitron, I'm taking a few minute pause for the cause, keep them stirred up. Hey, the man with the cornbread in his hand, keep him rolling. 357 Tennessee.
How about that 357 Tennessee? 357 Tennessee, what's going on over there? Hollywood, 135, Northern New Jersey, break. Working this ground plane in the garden, New Jersey. Hollywood, 135, getting on down.
Man with no name in Tennessee, I'm still this. Tennessee, we trying one time, hello.
Ain't got no conditions. Man, Mother Nature's been working overtime this week. She's been doing her thing over here in New Jersey. Hollywood, working this ground plane, break. She dropped right out. And she dropped right out right there, right now. Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
My radio. Here's a damn train wreck. Let me get on out of here. Give me a hot cup of coffee. About 50-some degrees down here. I'm gonna give me about 60 degrees. I'm gonna give me a hot cup of coffee. I'm set.
Oh, in Huntsville, Alabama. Good job. Oh, Saturday, cornbread. Great big high five. Both hands. And bring it up. Bye-bye.
Just trying to fit in where I can get in. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. Trying to fit in where I can get in. Hollywood 135, working this Cobra on the top side of New Jersey, getting on down. Someone out there calling for that Cobra. What's going on over there? Someone out there calling for the Cobra. Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
Your name is Say you like grape jelly and butter.
There's a damn old bee's nest in my radio. There's a big old train wreck in my receive. Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
On that end. I like the jelly on that end. I like the butter in my biscuits. I like the jelly in my biscuits. Hey, wait, one pig and a thorn. I like the jelly and the butter in my biscuits. I'm gone.
Hey, Mr. Boston, it's Smokestack. Mr. Boston, can you see Smokestack?
How's that 102-inch whip? How's that 102-inch whip sound at 30 feet in the air? Hollywood, oh Hollywood, New Jersey, getting on down.
Clarence name, man with no name and a name is here.
How do you like me now? Gold teeth when I smile. They try to take me out the city, but I'm still buck wild.
I like 39